Hello everyone. Today I am going to be teaching you how to set up object show characters on FLIPACLIP. Alright, so some of you might not have bought one of the premium features, add more layers. You probably haven't bought that yet, but if you have, then please do. I'm sorry, that's my YouTube chat. So I've bought all of these. But yeah, come on. I'm using a stylus right now, so it might be a little weird. So usually what I do is I make 6 layers and I put the body on the third one, and we're just gonna make a little asset real quick. So let's get the circle tool out and let's get a good color. We're gonna how about we make a little breath mint? So let's get kind of a dark shade of green. Okay, so here we go. We made a little circle. I'm just gonna make it a little smaller and maybe turn it a bit. Alright, perfect. Now let's go to layer 2 and we'll make some legs. If you have like BFDI assets on your phone or whatever you use on FLIPACLIP, then you can add those too. But I'm gonna make my own legs. Okay, so I made legs and an arm. If you're wondering why I only made one arm and it's behind, it's because I'm gonna go on my top layer and I'm gonna make another arm real quick. There we go. So we have the limbs and the body. The only thing we need to do now. Oh! I forgot to do it. I forgot to do something. So, can I not? Pretty sure you can rename layers. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so we just want to name these like what they are. So you just hold down on them. That's what I did for that one, but I guess it's not working. Oh, okay, just tap it, I guess. Alright, arms, bottom. Alright, legs, body. So, okay, on layer 4, we're gonna put the mouth, so we're gonna name that one mouth. For layer 5, we're gonna put eyes, so let's name that eyes. Right, so what I like to do is I like to go over here and I like to draw eyes. Oh, let's say what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually wait, before we do that I wanna do this real quick. So we have eyes right there. And let's make a mouth. Actually, no. Let's just do a smile for now. Alright, so we made a little character. Alright, so. Oh, wait. Okay. Put the mouth on a different layer. There we go. Alright, so we have our character set up.
Okay, sorry, my recording cut off like right after that, but that was basically the end of the tutorial, just setting up your character. I will be making more object show tutorials, some about tweening, some about like walk cycles and other stuff. And most of them are just for, well, basically just all of them are for FLIPACLIP. And since I did speed up the making of the asset that I made, I will be making another tutorial on how to make object show assets on FLIPACLIP, so be ready for that.